have been a part
Thank you all. You have been a
of my
part
journey.
of my journey.
Your support, friendship, assistance, kindness, and willingness to go above and beyond will forever be etched in my heart and the hearts of my family. I truly believe that the good deeds we do in life never go unnoticed. And I am confident that God will not forget all the care, compassion, and dedication you have extended, not just to me, but to countless others. May the Almighty God continue to bless you, guide your hands, and fill your hearts with the grace to continue serving humanity in this noble profession. As I step into the next chapter of my life, I live with cherished memories, knowing that I was part of an extraordinary team of physicians. It has been an honor and privilege to serve with you all. Once again, thank you. Thank you very much from the bottom of my heart.